I didn't buy these gold cards because they are expensive. I bought them because I'm going to use them to read your mind. In a second, I'm going to flip through the cards like this, and when I do, I want you to try to see one card. This goes fast, so watch the cards really carefully. Here we go. If you didn't see a card, go back and watch again. But if you did see a card, then push the like button right now, and that will let me know that you saw a card. Go ahead, do it. All right. Remember, there is only one of each card in the deck. And now I'm going to turn over cards one at a time. And if I turn over yours and nothing happens, maybe the trick didn't work for you, but keep watching. Here we go. Okay, I'll tell you what. I will bet you right now that this next card that I turn over is going to be your card. Here's how this works. If the next card I turn over is your card, you have to share this video. But if the next card I turn over is not your card, then you get to leave a really mean comment in the comment section. Is that fair? Okay, the next card I turn over is your card. You gotta share the video. Here we go. If I turned over your card, you know what to do. Fair's fair. Deal's a deal.